Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on Project Fi. Going to be very quick. I just want to show you what it's all about. Now, Project Fi is a new service from Google. It's supposed to be an alternative to the big carriers. Less expensive, simple, easy to use, and I believe that is the case. I've been using this about a week now, and I like it. Now, the reason why I got this is because I wanted to try it first of all, but then I wanted to kind of see what kind of savings you might get or how this might work if you were to try to use this as your main phone. So if you got a Nexus, you're going to order. You don't have to get an invitation anymore. You can get this by just signing up, and you'll get this pretty quickly. I took about 3 days to get this SIM card from Project Fi from Google. They send it to you. They don't charge you anything until you get it. Once you get it and see it set up, they'll charge you a bill. You'll see it come up pretty quickly. Now, this is what it comes in the mail. You got your card here. You open this up. You get another smaller card inside with a SIM card, usually right there. I already took it out, put it on my phone. They send you a paper clip as well, so you can open the SIM up. And that's pretty much it. And once you pop this in, let me get this out of the way. Once you pop this in your device, you automatically get hooked up to Project Fi. It starts loading up, and you know, I heard people say it's going to take a while, but this actually loaded up pretty quickly. I got LTE instantaneously, and so everything worked well. It's going to prompt you to load up this app, Project Fi, right there. That app right there. It's going to download from the Play Store. Open it up, and you got you got your controls there where you can kind of see what's going on with your billing. And your payments. Let me go back in there. And you get your device there. You got your plan. You can manage your plan. You can add more data or change data in the middle of the billing period, anytime you want to. That's how you're going to pay for you. You got your card in there, and you got your voicemail settings. You can change your greetings and all that stuff. Call forwarding. You can forward numbers to this. You can forward this number to other numbers, or forward numbers to this number, or you can get your alerts there as well. And you got an area for support as well. You can contact them if you need to. They're pretty good too. Now, the voicemail app is in the phone app. So you go right here, and you got visual voicemail. Now, you can either read the text because it writes it out, it transcribes it, or you can hear it. You can play it. So you can do either one. And you also get Wi-Fi tethering. So you got your hotspot. You can set that up. I like that. That's one reason why I want to try this out. So I turn on the hotspot this now. Got my tablet right here. Let me just open this up. All right, so I got the tablet. So I'm going to go into Wi-Fi. And I'm going to look for the, now this is it right here, Android AP, right? That's it right there. So you go ahead and connect to that. All right, it says no internet. I turned my data off, so let me turn that back on. Okay, so I turned cellular data back on, so now the hotspot is working, and as you can see, I got connected, right? So there you go, and you got your you got internet right there. So I like that. You can share your tethering with no problem. There won't be any extra. It all comes out of the same data plan. And if you go over your data, they charge you just what you use, not a whole another $10. They charge you $2 if you go 0.2 megabytes over or 20 megabytes over, whatever the case may be. So I like that. Simple and clean. You know what you're going to get because you know what your bills are. Taxes on this is $3 a month. You got your regular carriers. You're paying taxes for everything. I mean, I don't know where the taxes come from, but they're paying a bunch of taxes. So I like this. It's simple. The voice calls are clear, easy to use. And I think it could be a good alternative to the big four. I'm going to test it out a little bit more. I'll let you know when I update how things work. The calls are seamless. I get LTE between Sprint and Google, Sprint and T-Mobile. I used to not be able to get LTE at my house, but now I can get it because I can get T-Mobile as well. So you can switch between the two. I got this little app here. that I downloaded from the Play Store called Fi Switch, and you can switch between either one, Sprint or T-Mobile. You can force switch to either one you want to get, and if you got a problem, it'll fix it. So they got some good support in the Play Store for it. So I think it's a good alternative. I think you should check it out if you got a Nexus phone, or if you're looking for a cheap alternative for a good to the big four. Project 5 might be it. So again, this is Lawman FJ. Quick video there. Just kind of wanted to show you that. If you got questions, hit me up in the comment. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the button below. It's Project 5. Lawman FJ out.